Hey friends, if the Windows wireless service is not running on this computer, if you encounter this error, then please watch this video. The first solution is to check the status of the WLAN autoconfig service. So search for services in the Windows search bar and open the services window. Now scroll down to the WLAN autoconfig service. WLAN autoconfig service. Right click on it and select restart. The next solution is to perform an SFC scan, but before this, make sure that you're connected to the internet once again, because when you reset the WLAN autoconfig service, your network goes off. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is to update the network drivers. So search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Expand the list for network adapters. Right click on the first one. Select Update Driver automatically for drivers. Then the next and last option is network reset. Why network reset? Because when you perform a network reset on the system, it flushes the DNS, resets WinSock, it resets the TCP/IP protocol, it does everything. So all you need to do is right click on the start button and select settings from the menu, and then go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. Select advanced network settings, select network reset, and then finally click on reset now and then on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.